Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin replacing the battery in your HP NV17 TCE 100, you'll need a few essential tools. Gather a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. This will ensure safety while working with the internal components of your laptop. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. For added safety, remove any external devices connected to the laptop. It's advisable to wear your anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static electricity from damaging the components inside. Next, flip your laptop over to access the bottom panel. Using the Phillips number 00 screwdriver, remove the screws securing the bottom cover. Be sure to keep these screws organized, as you will need them to reattach the cover later. Once all the screws are removed, gently use a plastic prying tool to lift the bottom panel away from the laptop. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Now that you have access to the internal components, locate the battery. It's typically situated near the center of the laptop. You will see several screws holding the battery in place. Again, using the Phillips number 00 screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard by pulling it straight out. If you find it difficult to disconnect, use the plastic prying tool to assist you. Now, take your new battery and align it properly with the connector. Before you connect it, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation if you're unsure about handling this yourself. Simply reach out to us. Once the new battery is connected, secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure it's tightly fastened but avoid over-tightening. After this, replace the bottom cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear a click. Reinsert the screws that you had previously removed to secure the bottom panel, making sure they are snug. Now, flip your laptop back over and plug it in. Before turning it on, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home if you prefer not to travel. No calls, no travel, just convenient service at your doorstep. Finally, power on your laptop. Check that the new battery is recognized and charging correctly. If you encounter any issues, feel free to contact us for a quote before repair. By following these steps, you should have successfully replaced the battery in your HP NV17 TCE 100, enhancing its performance and longevity. Always remember to keep your device clean and regularly check for software updates to maximize battery life. Following this guide ensures that your laptop continues to serve you well for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.